How to remove your profile picture on Facebook. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Facebook application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, in order to remove your profile picture, tap on your profile option on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on your profile icon you see there. Here, you will then see a bunch of options. Here, tap on the see profile picture option you see there. And now, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and you will see the option for a delete photo. So tap on the delete photo option and in the confirmation that appears, tap on delete again. And with this, as you can see, the profile picture has been removed. So this was about how you can remove your profile picture on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.